with a jacket. Yeah. And there was yellow food.
When there was yellow food?
Is that it? Are you going to say the end or what? That's the end of your story?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You're going to tell me another one?
Uh,
Okay, scoot back a little. Come here. Stand right here. Okay, tell me. Okay, right there. Stop. Tell me your story. One time, no?
One time there was a dragon. Him had food. Had a lot of food.
Him had a lot of food?
Him had no food. Like this.
And,
Him,
him ate food?
him